Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to provide administrator permission Windows 11. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to provide administrator permissions for your Windows 11 accounts here, well, this one is quite easy. So first things first is you want to go ahead and just go to your desktop here, clean slate, and you want to go and just click on the Windows icon or the start button here. Now, in here, you want to access your settings, so you can either click on settings here or just type in settings. Now, inside settings, what you need to do is you want to go and just choose the account section at the left side here. Now, inside accounts, what you need to do is you want to go and scroll down a bit here and look for other users. Let's go and just select or click on it. Now, from here, you should be able to see all the accounts that you currently have right now in your computer. So what you need to do is you want to go ahead and just click on the drop down button here, and you should see the accounts option. So just click on the change account type here. And as you can see, we have account type. You want to go and just choose administrator. So in this case, go and just click on the drop down here and just choose administrator. So typically you would have by default standard user, but if you choose administrator here, you should be able to update the permissions that account currently has. Now, currently you can only do this if you're using an administrator account as well. So only admins can provide administrator account access. So first, make sure you have an administrator account in order for you to update someone's account into admin. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and share button and watch our next video.